Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a new for 2024 casting, and this one is by Matchbox. It's a 2022 Infiniti QX80. It's from Mainline, but I think it still looks good. As you can see in front of you, I think it has got some good details. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the QX80 out of its package. I'm very happy with Matchbox this year. They have done some wonderful castings, especially of the cars you see day to day, and I like how they keep it simple. No, they don't go crazy like Hot Wheels. Both are owned by the same company, but I think this speaks more to the people who like collect road-going cars, like me. So I like the color silver. You see a lot of these in silver. So let's move to the front and see what we have got. So up front, I like how they have got some nice details. You got the big Infiniti grille, you got detailed headlamp, you got the fog lamps. I think they also got the parking sensor down there, which is again good. You got the nice hood here, windshield wipers, you got both the mirrors, again good. Let's move to the driver's side. I like how they have done the interior in beige, because beige or tan, it's not beige, actually tan. A lot of QX80 have seen actually have the tan leather interior, so I'm happy they did it. Looks good. Coming onto the side, you got door handles, you got the fuel filler cap, you can see this small cladding going on the side. Again, it's not very very off-roady, very black kind of thing. I like the wheels. I've seen these wheels on various different SUVs from Matchbox, and they suit almost all of them. So the wheels look nice, also because you can see a bit of tread. Now coming to the back, again nice details here. You got detailed tail lamp, you got the Infiniti badge, Infiniti on the number plate, the chrome bar going from tail lamp to tail lamp. You've also got the stop lights at the bottom, windshield wiper, and also the QX80 badge if you see closely. This side, and all-wheel drive on this side. They've also managed to capture this pattern on the bumper, so again good. Also the small spoiler you can see. Now let's move to the passenger side. It's almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap. On the rooftop, you can see they have managed to incorporate the roof rails, and also the, I don't know what these are called, bars, tracks. Here you can mount different stuff. Called the sunroof here, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, I think it's a really handsome looking casting, and I think it will go really good with the other SUVs Matchbox has just done this year. Yeah, I will try to click some pictures of the new Matchbox SUVs they did this year together. But yeah, I think it's a good casting, especially for a mainline. It has got good details, looks good, looks in good proportion. Yeah, these are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.